Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming your iPhone model and iOS. This ensures the interface matches. Once ready, open Contacts and select the person whose call picture you want to change. Tap Edit immediately. Make sure you tap Add Photo or the existing photo area to access Camera, Photo Library, or Browse. Choose Photo to pick an existing image or Camera to take one now. This matters because later cropping and positioning depend on the image orientation you select. Now focus on framing. Pinch to zoom and drag to center the face or subject. Rotate if the photo is sideways. This step affects how it appears during incoming calls. Make it tight enough to show the person clearly. Once satisfied, tap Choose or Done to confirm. If prompted, select whether to use the image as a caller photo only or sync to all devices via iCloud so it appears on linked iPads and Macs. This avoids mismatched images across devices. Finish by testing. Place a quick call to the contact from another phone so you can see the incoming caller image. If the photo fails to update, make sure contacts are syncing. Toggle iCloud contacts off, wait a few seconds, then turn it back on, and restart the iPhone. That refreshes the database. Also check for duplicate linked contacts, because multiple linked cards can override the photo. Unlink extras and reassign the image to the primary contact to fix conflicts.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.